guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this standing mixer from Kitchen in the Box. We got gifted by the brand. They gave this to us to try and we absolutely love it. I love this thing. I didn't have a standing mixer and I was shocked on how great this thing is. You can make anything with it. Yeah, the quality, everything. I love everything about this standing mixer. So in this video, I am going to talk about some of the things that I really like about it and one important thing that I think you should know before buying. So one of the things that I really like about this standing mixer is the size of the bowl. This thing is huge. You can make anything in it. I love how this is stainless steel. You can see the quality of it. This is amazing. It comes with these 3 attachments, as you can see. So you have one to make cake and doughs. I think this is for like heavier, medium to heavy dough. This one is for heavy dough, which is the hook for you to make bread. And this one, which is the lighter one, to make lighter doughs as well. But you can make cake with this one too. This mixer has 10 different levels. As you can see right here, 10 being the strongest. And this thing has a lot of power. This is very strong. Usually, I think the most I used so far was 6 to make cake, and it was plenty. I forgot to mention the guard thing that comes with it, which is very helpful. The other day we were making cake, and this just helps you not, splash dough or anything that is kind of liquidy that you're making in it. The size is also pretty good. It's not super big, but it's not tiny. It's pretty heavy as well, so when you're making it, it's not just gonna be moving everywhere. And the one thing that you guys should know before getting this standing mixer is how strong these little suction cups that they have up at the bottom, as you can see right here, how strong they are. This mixer, look, I'm putting like all my force. This is not going to move no matter how heavy the dough you're mixing in it. It's not going to move. And like I said, this has a little bit of weight too. So this is perfect. If you like to make bread on a standing mixer, this one, it's gonna be the one that you need. And yeah, overall, this is a great standing mixer. I absolutely love this and I highly recommend it.